Hello guys, I'm going to show you some filters in Shotcut, some filters that you're gonna need for most of your video editing. So I'm going to show you 2 or 3 filters most important. The first one is how to insert a text in your video. So first of all, I select the clip on which I'm going to apply my filter. My text means the text is going to display only on this clip here. So my clip is selected. I'm going to press on filter. If the filter is not appearing here, you know where to find it. It's up here. When you click on it, it will come at this place. So I'm going to press on filter. It's already selected. I want to add another filter, so I will press on add a filter. In here I have my favorite filters, which are start and video filters with more filters, but some of them are not starred. As you can see, the ones which are in favorite, they have star on the left, and others do not have stars. And the filter that I'm going to use today, most of them are in my favorite ones. So if you're looking for a filter and can't find it on the favorite ones, just come in audio or video filters and you're going to find it. I want to use a simple text, so here it is. If you don't find a filter, you can also type in the search bar here the name of the filter if you know it, and then you're going to get it. Let's say I want to find a text. If I type here text, and you're going to see they're suggesting me rich or simple. Let's go with simple text. On the left side you have some options, and on the right side you can see the text displaying here. By default there is a code here which I do not need. I'm just going to delete it and write my text. You look up. You can go ahead and press on font, change the color according to what you need. You can change the outlines of the text. Let me give it a red color. Bring it up here. Press OK, and let me increase it a little bit. Let me give it 23. Check what it. Yes, you see how it looks. So you can go ahead and resize it a little bit, make it a little bit smaller, so this way it looks better. If you want, you can put some background. Let me put a yellow color, something weird. The look might be not that much sophisticated, but I'm just showing you things, guys. You can go ahead and try it yourself and give it a look that you wish. There is another type of text in Shotcuts. There is a 3D text. I'm just showing you how you can insert a simple text. You can go ahead in filters and you're going to find more type of text. So this is how you can go ahead and add a text in Shotcuts. So the next filter is how to remove a background in a video, like this one, this button here. How I remove the background of this subscribe. So guys, as you can see, I'm also asking you to subscribe on my channel, HowToDo Technology. That is the way you support us, guys, and we can have more courage to make more videos for you. So please go ahead and subscribe. To remove the green background of subscribe, first of all, you select your video. It's a clip, right? It's a clip. You can play it and you're going to see that it's a clip. As you can see, it is moving, right? Yes. So we're going to remove that background. You select the clip, come in filters, press on filter, and plus button here. You can search it in video or in favorite. If it's not in favorite, then you search it in video. Just type there chroma key. Chroma key. Here you are. You have your advanced chroma key. So here you have more options. But in this video, I'm just going to use this simple one. When I just press on chroma key, you can see, guys, the green background is gone. Bye bye, green background. So nothing much to do with this. This is how you can go ahead and remove your background, your green background in Shotcut. Very easy, guys. Once you've removed the green background, guys, it's easy to resize or to position it anywhere you want on your screen, guys. You know how to do that. If you didn't watch my previous video where I showed you all the necessary functions of Shotcut, how to edit a video from A to Z. You can still find the link in the description of this video. So if you want to resize this, you can just find another filter. So with filters, guys, you can do amazing things in Shotcuts. You just have to know which filter you want to apply. Like this one, I want to resize it, so I'm just going to press on resize. Oh, resize. Just type size. Thanks, better. Size, position, and rotate. I used this in the previous video. So you just come and resize this. Come in the middle here to move it or to position it where you want. Let's say I want to keep it here. Subscribe on this HowToDo Technology channel. So this is how you can do this, guys. So let me show you one more filter, guys. I want to blur this Lulu cup in DRC. I want to blur it a little bit. Just come in filter, add a filter, and type in the search bar blur. Because I know the name of what I need, I can just type it in the filter to find it fast. I'm going to use this Gaussian blur. Press on blur Gaussian. You can now go ahead and add some amount of blur. You can see the effects on my Lulu cup. Let me add some more blur. You can see, yes, this way. So I would like to keep it from here. This is enough for me. I can add more blur. You see the effects on the picture. So this way, maybe I can keep it this way. And this blur is going just to be applied on this short clip down here. So I hope this is it for this video, guys. I just wanted to make this short video to show you some filters, how you can bring up some filters in your video and spice up your video, guys. There are more effects and more filters that you can go ahead and discover. You just have to come in filter, add filter with this plus button. If you want to remove a filter, you can just select the filter. Let's say I want to get rid of this blur Gaussian filter. I just select it and press on this minus icon. As you can see, it's written remove selected filter. If I press there, my filter is gone, and you can see that the video is now back again clear. So this is it for this video, guys. Please let us know in the comment section which one of these filters did you know, or tell me which filters do you like the most in this Shotcut video editing software, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the ring bell, guys, and stay tuned on this HowToDo Technology channel. See you soon. Bye bye.